Hi guys, welcome to this session in LibreOffice Calc. In this module, I want to show you how the small and the large function works and what you can do with it. So first of all, let's have a look at the min function. So sometimes people use the min function. I want the smallest number in this list. So if I just type the word min there and come across and do the min function, equals min, open the bracket, select the list, and then click the tick. That'll give me the minimum number in that list, which is 1, as you can see there. So what's the difference between the min function and the small function? Well, the small function allows you to select whether you want the smallest or the next smallest or the next smallest, and so on and so on with a number. So it goes like this: equals small, open the bracket, select the same list, comma. So if I put 3 there, that will be the third smallest in the list. I tick that, which is £3. So 44, 22, 3. That's the third smallest. So I change that 3 to a 2 or a 1. I'll go for 1. It'll be the same as the min function. So you've got a qualifier with the small function. And the same would apply if you did max. So max would be the biggest number in that list, equals max, open the bracket, select the list, click the tick. So the maximum number is 44. And then the large function would do the same. So equals large from this list, but it will let me qualify it with a number. So if I go for the second largest, that's a 2, and then tick that, comes up with 22, which is the same as that. Now what you can also do, so I've got the smallest figure coming through there, so I've got a 1 on that. If I go to the top here, I could use a basic lookup, not a V or a H or an X lookup, just a basic lookup, equals lookup, open the brackets, look at that result, comma, look for it in this list, comma, and when you find it, tell me what company that is in this list. And if I tick that, it should come back with Scratch It, which it does. So if I now change Scratch It to something else, 55, it's coming back with AMAC, which is at £2, and £2 is now the smallest number. So that's all I want to talk about in this little video: how you can use the small function and the large function and dictate whether it's the smallest or the second smallest or the third smallest number in a list that you want. So hopefully that little video is of use. Thank you for your time, and I'll catch you in the next one.